afternoon. How y'all doing? I hope all is well in your world. I fixed chicken in the pressure cooker yesterday, and Mr. Childers is going to do some special cooking, so stay tuned.
Told y'all I like to cook, but I've been too busy fixing the Ford, fixing the Saturn. We made it home okay, so now I'm going to dive into some cooking. My cooking ain't normal man cooking. My cooking kind of evolved over the years. All them nights I worked second shift, they were long and quiet. Sometimes quiet, sometimes they were quiet and long. Sometimes they were just, it was crazy. But anyway, I play around sometimes when we had to wait on the stove at work. But I think today I'm going to make some special for you that I learned how to make a long time ago. I'll share this with you. I'm not going to give you all my secret ingredient because you got to come up with your own. I'm just going to give you the basis. And what I call this is called my Outback Chicken Salsa Chili. And the reason it's called the Outback because it's out in the backyard. So y'all enjoy the little video here I'll make for you. Alright. I got all canned stuff, which I like fresh stuff from the garden and all. But this time I got my chicken. Sharon did it yesterday, or last night, right?
Last night.
Yeah, we got to use a whole chicken, just pluck it off. It's fresher that way. The little lady used to run them down for me, but she's not 100% now. So we got to buy it from the store. That's funny, ain't it? Anyway, you get you some navy beans. I got 1, 2. That's corn. 3. Okay, you got 4 cans of navy beans for this size pot. You can make it any way you want, whatever you like. So I got my 4 cans of navy beans, got my 2 cans of corn, and once in a while I like some sweet peas in it. It makes it kind of good. I like sweet stuff too, like my little lady. Anyway, I always put the beans in first, but it don't matter. I kind of do things. I have a system. Yeah, I know. I can hear all them jokes out there. Yeah, he got a system. Okay, let me put this down here. I don't want to pop that thing out and food go everywhere. Now, I always smell my food before I put it in the pot. It smells like beans. Oh, man. And you won't come out there. Holy mackerel. Hold on, let me get a shovel here. A little shovel. Things are good. They're vacuum packed. There's always a secret to cooking. Always those hidden things. Man, beans do smell good. I got my great value beans here.
This is survival food, people.
That's right. It's Outback food, out in the backyard.
And I'm going to tell you, and when it comes down to it and we have to use survival food, people out there are going to be happy they have great value cans.
They're going to be happy with a lot.
Uh-huh.
Alright, that's one. Oh, yeah. There we go. That one must have been close to the heat this morning. It was cold here last night. It was down in the 40s. I couldn't believe it. 40s with humidity. Lots of humidity. 2. This is a good little simple recipe. It's just good. A lot of people never heard of it. Sometimes it's like white bean soup, navy soup, whatever you want to call it. Kind of a little throw together. But you can make it with your salsa as hot as you want. A lot of people like it super hot. And you can add your salsa, because I'll show you that. I just buy it at the store. Sometimes I make my own so when I get a chance. Too busy fixing cars and trucks. But I do enjoy cooking. I love to cook on a grill. See, there's a lot of things about me y'all don't know. See, you learn a little bit every day. I keep you guessing. What?
It's taken me 35 years, people.
Alright, can number 4. Man, that's some good looking beans. I'll tell you, I love my beans. Good fiber, good for you. I eat them right out of the can.
Don't y'all like its cute little apron?
Oh, yeah. What do you think? Nice, ain't it? You got some little pockets. Yeah. I hear all them comments out there. Hey, I'm cooking. Oh, man, look at that. Woo, man.
Let me see.
Get it mixed up in there with that chicken.
Okay.
Looks pretty.
I hope the pot's big enough.
I do too. I have to cut the order. Oh, it'll be all right. A couple cans of this. That's it.
You still got the salsa to put in there.
That's all right.
Okay. The man says he knows what he's doing.
I'm guesstimating.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I was always pretty good at guesstimating. Real good guesstimating about that Ford. I hope we make it home.
Yeah.
I had my doubts. It came true. Hit them roads in Louisiana. It don't like rough roads, and I don't think it likes hills too good. Of course, the motor could be built to be put out lots of horsepower, but the truck's all original. That's all right.
Yeah, it's just
The way it is.
It's going on the market here soon.
Mm-hmm. That's a secret, everybody. 2 cans of corn. So you got plenty of room. I normally don't like it making it with so much canned stuff, but right now we're kind of wanting to just do it. Since I know this is an alternative way, but I prefer frozen peas, and I like to do the navy beans in the pot, let them be fresh. Just the flavors are a lot better that way. When you do it the longer way, it's really good. But this ain't bad. I got this black bean and corn salsa here. And I'll just put that in there. One of them.
We'll put one in?
Yeah, it smells pretty good. It's mild. Now you can make it hot. Everybody says, "What you doing putting salsa in there?" You'd be surprised. Anyway, because that's the salsa is a Spanish side. I like salsa. I like all kinds of food. That's all I'll tell you. I might get him to make me some Chinese food one of these days. I love Chinese food. I love Spanish food. I love Puerto Rican food. I love all kinds of food. Spanish food. I love South American food too.
Don't you need a bigger spoon?
Yeah, well, guess so.
Well, the second drawer has a wooden spoon in there. Why don't you get that?
Let me taste this. Man, that's good. I ain't cooked it yet. Oh, the wooden spoon's down here?
Uh-huh, second drawer.
I gotta learn all my cooking stuff. Is that the one, or?
Either one.
Alright, let me mix this up, see what this... Oh, yeah, that smells good. Mm-hmm. Mix that up. This is good on cornbread. It's good with crackers. This is good with anything. You can fix it different ways, too. You can do it like a soup, add some water to it. Lots of variations.
You're right to the max there.
Yeah, that's the way I am. I'm full throttle, buddy.
Right, right to the max.
All the way. All the time.
Well, you can't put any more in that pot.
I won't take no more.
No. Well, a little bit. It'll
can
take
I
a little
use
bit.
Leftover in here. This one that I got. I need to go ahead and do.
Yeah.
Now this is some chunky sauce. It's kind of refrigerator stuff. You got it. Throw it in there. And I had some fresh tomatoes over there, but I think I'll just save that for. Oh, that's still good. Yeah, boy. That's got a little pop to it there. Mm-hmm. Yep. Now I need a little bit of. It's kind of thick. I think I need to add some water.
That's as far as you can go. You're right to the max line.
Yep, max this pot out. See there?
It looks pretty good.
Now you can put you some onions in there, but the salsa has some onions in it, so she don't like onions too much. I love onions. I could eat them right out of the ground.
I only like sweet onions.
And people they vary the recipe, you know, but man, is it good? I like all kinds of flavors. But if you make it too hot, I can't taste the flavors, but I like the heat too. Boy, is it good. Now come over here and look at this. Now this is all mixed up. It's ready to cook for about 45 minutes. Got some chicken in there, peas and corn and salsa. Man.
Actually, you don't have to let it cook for 45 minutes because on the power pressure cooker, he can set it on the soup setting, and it'll automatically do it for like 10 minutes and it'll be good.
Will it get hot enough though?
It'll be steaming hot.
Alright, here we go. So I don't know how to use this piece of equipment yet, but I'm gonna learn.
No. Here. You gotta set it down on there and turn it around.
Oh, it's got a little catch there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, make sure
There's
this...
something missing back here.
Oh, sorry. I washed it. Okay. That goes on there like so. Make sure it's turned this direction. That's good. Now hit your soup button. You see, soup and stew?
Hang on a minute, I get my glasses on. I need to know these things. Hang on. It's fine. They're real teeny tiny. I can't see it. Canning. Oh, soup and stew?
Yep.
Okay, y'all. You back with me?
Yes.
Right. So when you're waiting for your pot to come up, you keep yourself going healthy here. I got me some dates. Some good ones. Since I've been out there in Yuma, I never ate dates that much before. Man, I love these things now. So that's what happens. You go to different areas of the country, and Yuma's got a ton of date trees, and they got date shakes out there, like a date milkshake. I didn't get one when I was out there, but when I go back, see, I'm gonna get one. These things are delightful. Did I get you some? Anyway, what was we at? We're talking about this chili. And this, well, it's blinking here.
It's pressuring up. That's what it's doing. It has to build up a pressure before it can cook.
It builds up pressure because it gets hot.
Right.
Well, I could eat more than one day waiting on this thing.
Well, I'm sure you could.
Anyway. So, I guess we'll be back in a minute, y'all, when things get kind of going with this pot. But, any questions, just let Sharon know. And I'll try to answer them for you about my secret recipe and all.
I think you gave them all the secrets.
Got me some little pockets here. And get me some tools to go in here. I don't feel right without no tools, having to run out there and work on a vehicle. Carry some tools. Anyway.
All right.
Bye, y'all. See you later.
Okay.
Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah, that's good. Y'all might not like it.
All right. You going to serve me up?
Yeah, I'll fix you a bowl.
He's serving me.
How about you, little mama? Look at that. Oh,
right.
Look at that. Now, that's nice and piping hot. Now, what you got in there?
Got
Some
some
corn,
beans
some peas,
and tomatoes and chicken and corn and peas.
and a little salsa back up. That's going to be hot now. What do you think there, young lady? That's pretty good stuff, ain't it?
Mighty fine.
Mighty
He
fine.
did a good job.
All right.
I'm impressed.
Okay. And that's my Outback chicken salsa chili.
There you go. Yum, yum.
Yeah.
I'll enjoy it for y'all.
Yeah. It's made out in the backyard. See ya. Subscribe. Enjoy. Thank all y'all. We'll just keep on having a good old time. All right, guys. See you later. Bye.